The response will be, Lord, hear our prayer. For the Christian community throughout the world, that we may always persevere in our duty to preach the gospel in word and action. Lord, hear our prayer. For government officials, that they may be blessed in their efforts to prepare legislation and lead so that all are safe and free to exercise their rights as citizens. Lord, hear our prayer. For the Holy Father's intention for August, that small and medium-sized businesses, hard hit by economic and social crises, may find ways to continue operating and serving their communities. Lord, hear our prayer. For an end to the war in Ukraine. Lord, hear our prayer. For all who are sick and for the healing of those experiencing the long-term effects of COVID. Lord, hear our prayer. For Angie Dragon, for whom this Mass is offered. Lord, hear our prayer.